Hello, my name is Sean Bryant and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first official long video. I've been uploading shorts of my TikTok comedy skits that I've been doing for the last 6 to 8 months or something like that, just to get things going. But this is my first real video, so welcome if you're watching. My goal is to build a YouTube channel from scratch. So if it's something that you're currently interested in or you've just started out yourself, then let's do it together. Let's see what happens. I'm just currently shooting the videos on my iPhone 11 and working it all out, really. I'm going to be doing vlogs and keep uploading my TikTok videos. And I've got a lot of content planned for the coming future, but I just said I've got to get going somehow. So this is what I'm doing, basically. So hit the subscribe button if you're early in your journey or you're interested to see how this goes for me, starting a YouTube channel from scratch, basically. And the come up, the official come up. So hit the subscribe button and let's do it together, and see you soon. Yeah.